Grand Rising family, I want to welcome you to another episode of Bank's Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all time, family. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, I need you to hit that subscribe button, family, right? If you like the information, if you like the content that you've been receiving, and look, hit that notification bell also, family, so you can get notified whenever I drop a video. Also, you can leave a comment. If you want to, you can leave a comment, share the video to your friends, to your loved ones, let them know that Mac is here to talk about this crypto, right? Because right now, the market is recovering and a lot of people are scared. You have a lot of people that are shaking, are wondering, have we reached the top? Family, I'm gonna discuss this, show the chart, and let y'all see what's going on. What y'all seeing on the screen, family, is Freedom of North Carolina. It's an upcoming film. This film will be getting released Juneteenth, 2021. Yes, I am starring in the film, so I am really promoting the film. If it's something that it seems like it grabs your attention, and if you're interested in it, hey, follow Freedom of North Carolina on Facebook. You can follow us on YouTube, or you can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, wherever. Freedom of North Carolina. Check it out. It's one of the hottest films that's ever gonna come and hit the market. It's a film like none other. Y'all really gonna be surprised. With that being said, family, we're gonna jump right into this market, and I'm gonna share my screen, and we're gonna get started. But before we get started, let me start off by playing this. Y'all know I've been promoting GSX. I really believe in the project. So I'm gonna play this video and I'll be right back. It's for those who may be new, who have never seen it or know anything about it.
Introducing gold secured currency, better known as GSX, the first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits: 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per US dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50% of all gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. 8. Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9. Participation. GSX is more than an investment. It's an experience. Holders will be able to visit and stay at the main mine at the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their home. Gold-secured currency is a new kind of investment. An investment that allows its holders the ability to watch their net worth expand, to collect profits, and even participate. Take part in the world's newest and most innovative financial tool and take part in history. Introducing Gold.
So if you're interested in this, as you can see, it's a good project. If you're interested, it's a link in the description. You use the link, you get signed up. Right now the coins are 10 cents a coin. You get a 10% buying bonus if you buy today. Plus, if you use the link I provide, you get extra 5%. So you can get an extra 15% free coins, depending on the amount. No matter what's the amount you buy, you have to buy at least $50 worth, but you will at least get 15% free if you use the link, family. Right? All right, so let's take it to the market real fast. So, all right, coin market cap. Let me refresh my screen. We see the total market is $1,382 billion. You got Bitcoin at 45,000. Hey, $45,572. It looked like it's trying to actually go back up. That's a good sign. We'll talk about that because depending on how we close this week, this is going to be the last week of this month. So this is the closing candle for this month. We'll talk about it, right? You have Ethereum at $1,430. Cardano at $1.31 is trying to move up a little bit as Bitcoin is finally starting to make its power move. This is a real good sign, right? We'll keep going though. We're gonna go back. We're gonna look at the Bitcoin chart because I want to talk to y'all, let y'all see what's going on. Tether at 99 cents, basically $1. Binance at $213. $214. Polkadot, $34.05, up 3.11%. XRP, 42 cents. Litecoin, down almost 3%. Chain, almost at $25. At 41 cents, rounds out our top 10 family. So we can see that right now, Bitcoin is trying to make its move to 46,000. It tried, it got close, but it looked like it did not make it. But when we go to the chart, let's take it to the chart real fast. We see we over 46,000. This is a great sign, right? Now, earlier today, things was looking very dire. People was panicking. I was a little worried also. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, right? Because what happened was we went below the 780-day moving average, and we got down to levels that I have on this chart. They are actually levels where I say that we have some forms of support. And if we would have broke this 42 and 530 mark, it would have been looking real bad. According to the RSI, this is a good sign because we were staying under the bottom part of this RSI a lot. But now this candle right here is moving us up. So we have a bullish cross, but you can see as things is changing, this 13-day moving average is trying to catch this 34-day moving average to go back bullish. I mean, we have a bearish cross. This is a bearish cross. I'm sorry, family. But we can see that the 13-day moving average is trying to catch up to this 34 moving average so we can have a bearish cross. And look at this candle, family. Things look like it's turning. I don't know what's going on, but Bitcoin is back at 46,000. We need to close over 46,000. What needs to happen is happening, family. Hey, we know that the stimulus check has been passed in America. They passed the stimulus package. That passing of the stimulus package is going to give Bitcoin a boost because it's going to reflect negatively on the dollar, right? But let me get out of this real fast, family. But this is real good news. This is for the 1 hour chart. We're going to go and look at a lot of more of these charts today. Today, we're really going to talk about Bitcoin. But before we do that, let me, y'all know I've been promoting Pi. You know, you get this free coin, Pi. Everybody want a piece of the pie. Play this real
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
So family, you can download this. You can download it to your phone. It is free. It don't cost nothing. And you can start mining these Pi coins for free, family, right? This is something that you can get. The Pi coins will be being released on the market the end of this year, end of 2021, beginning of 2022. And they will be on the market and get listed on some exchanges. And once they get listed on some exchanges, people will start trading them, right? So Pi is something that you get it for free just by hitting a button once a day. Hey, just try it. It's a link in the description if you like it, right? But let's go back to the chart. So let's go to the 30-minute chart, right? So when we get to this 30-minute chart, let me blow this up for y'all. According to the 30-minute chart, we have already had our bullish cross. So now the bulls are positive on the 30-minute chart. We passed the 34-day moving average. So now we're moving bullish. Have a bullish cross. You can see the RSI is moving up. After we hit here, we've been moving up, and it's looking good on the 30-minute. The 30-minute chart actually it looks better than the 1 hour chart, family. All right, let's go to the 5-minute chart. We'll blow this up. Now with the 5-minute chart, you can see we basically floored, and now we're trying to have a reversal. This is also a bullish cross. They're meeting up there because we look like this red candle here is trying to, come back down so we can see. But the good thing is we're not making lower lows. We're making higher highs as we're moving up. But so this may be a sign that we're in a trend reversal, family. Look like we may be in a trend reversal, and that's very good, promising news, right? So listen, let's go to a little bit of news real fast. All right, this article, OLB Group enables crypto payments for thousands of U.S. merchants. I'm going to play this, family. Let's hear it.
OLB Group enables crypto payments for thousands of U.S. merchants. OLB's more than 8,500 merchants are now able to accept Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, USDC and DAI at the point of sale through the company's OmniSoft business management platform. Customers wishing to pay with cryptocurrency in-store or through their mobile phones can simply elect to do so with their cryptocurrency wallets. All payments are processed through Secure Pay, a payment gateway that authenticates the transaction, converts the cryptocurrency to US dollars and approves the final sale. The decision to integrate cryptocurrency payments was partly driven by the growth of contactless and online orders during the COVID-19 pandemic. With the OmniSoft platform already providing merchants with several options to facilitate payments, cryptocurrencies were the next logical step. In addition to crypto wallets, OLB's secure pay system processes credit and debit cards, gift cards and digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. Ronnie Yakov, OLB Group's CEO, says the payment gateway and point-of-sale architecture are familiar territory for merchants, which makes integrating cryptocurrencies through such channels easy. On the topic of cryptocurrency payments, a promising but underutilized use case for the industry, Yakov believes we are still in the very early stages of adoption. It's very early in crypto as a payment adoption, but we see increasing interest from merchants exploring this payment option as a means to meet their customers however and wherever they prefer, Yakov tells Cointelegraph. He also believes certain industries are more likely to adopt crypto payments before others. We anticipate that adoption will happen more quickly in higher-ticket transactions such as jewelry, B2B billing and real estate because the transaction fees for cryptocurrency processing are lower, often half of typical credit card fees. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have struggled to become a viable medium of exchange, inviting criticism about their utility. Charlie Munger, the billionaire investor and Berkshire Hathaway vice chairman, recently criticized Bitcoin for being too volatile to serve well as a medium of exchange. With development work on scaling solutions or sidechains are still in progress, it remains to be seen whether crypto assets will ever function efficiently as payment systems. In the meantime, assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum are valued for their store of value and development capabilities, respectively. OLB Group, OLB, a New York-based e-commerce merchant service provider, is making it easier for businesses to accept cryptocurrency payments.
So, family, you can see that OLB has enabled crypto payments for thousands of merchants, so more people will be able to spend their crypto. Right? Here's another article. Google Finance adds dedicated crypto tab featuring Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin. So now when you go on Google Finance, they have a dedicated crypto tab to let you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin prices. Again, more mainstream adoption, more people having access to the prices of this crypto, right? So let me go back to the chart. All right, we see the little red candle. It really didn't go too far, but this is a good sign, right? So let me pull up a chart for Bitcoin. We're going to look at the one-day chart, right? Because I think we need to get this stuff in perspective. So we can see the pullback with Bitcoin on a one-day chart. You can see the pullback, but you can also see that this happens quite often. This ain't nothing new. You see, when we sold over the RSI, pullback, right? Again, oversold in the RSI, pullback. This is a trend that has always happened with Bitcoin. Whenever we're oversold in the RSI, we have pullbacks, family. This is what's happening. We're having a pullback, right? So nothing to be alarmed about, right? So let me go out and let's go to the 1 week chart. Now, on the 1 week chart, we really get to look at things in perspective because we can see that, let me make this big, I'm sorry, y'all. We can see on the 1 week chart that we really haven't had too many red candles weekly. You know, it's been sideways and then move up. So candles are letting us see something, right? And then when we go to the 1 month candle, we can see them blow this up. But the 1 month candle, you can see we haven't even had a red candle since September 2020. So regardless of how bad things may seem, we haven't even had a month candle that's in the red. Every candle, every month, the price has been rising. And it finally met some resistance. That's it, family. It just met a little bit of resistance. And look at it. You can see we are starting to recover. That's another great sign, family, right? Now, also, family, Bankroll Flow. I've been telling y'all about Bankroll Flow. It's a link in the description. If you want to get signed up, follow the link. Bankroll Flow has now transitioned to Flow V12. It has, and you need to migrate your account if you in Flow to the Flow version 1-2, right? And this is the article, how to migrate your Flow to Flow V2. All right, so anybody that you know that is in Flow, let them know things are starting to look up. Things are starting to get cranky. DeFi is coming. Liquidity is already here. The price may be going up. You want to get in and pay attention to Flow V2, y'all. On V1 Part 2, y'all pay attention and see if it's something that you're interested in. It's a link in the description. Hey, use that link and let's get signed up, right? So let's go back to this market. Hey, it's looking good, y'all. Looking good. We'll see how the day ends. But so far, so good. Feel like we might be reversing this trend, right? All right, family, I thank y'all for watching this episode of Max Crypto News. I appreciate y'all for being on the journey with me. I will no longer be offering the class. Only those that's in the class will continue receiving this stuff. We will be moving forward to trying to teach people how to make money using DeFi and make good money on their investments, right? With that being said, did I forget anything? No, I didn't. Peace, family. Why do? Y'all be looking out for freedom of North Carolina. Peace.